What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. First things first, I want to thank everybody that's been, joining the videos, watching them, liking them. Make sure you leave a comment what your favorite part is. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Today we got a 2017 Toyota Corolla. Today we're going to be doing what is called a paint correction. So what a paint correction is, all this dirty grime, bird droppings and all that, water spots on the window, all that's going to get removed. The paint feels all gritty. It's going to be super smooth as soon as we're done. So today we got something else. Stay tuned for the results. Before we go into the pre-wash, I always hit it with a decontaminating chemical. All that red you see on there is contaminants that you couldn't really see with the naked eye, but that chemical really makes it pop out. All right, guys, we just got done with the pre-wash. The car's looking nice and clean, but we ain't finished with it yet. Let's get it moved over to our work area and get this paint correction done. All right, guys, now that we got it moved over to our work area, let's get this paint correction going. All right, guys. We just finished wrapping up the 2017 Corolla. Let's start off with this emblem. We went ahead and restored the whole emblem, leaving it looking brand new again. It's no longer all faded. We did do a whole paint correction on the paint too, so it left the paint looking all nice and smooth, super shiny, gave it a whole different gloss to it, and we did hit it with the 1-year ceramic coating on it too. So this vehicle is going to be protected for a whole year. Every time they wash it, they take the time to hand dry it, they'll get this exact same finish on it every single time up to a year.